All right, Ariana Grande has spoken out about a joke fiancé Pete Davidson made about the bombing at her Manchester concert last year. Now, this comes just 3 days after a joke from last fall resurfaced, in which Davidson commented on Grande's fame. Now, according to The Mirror, he joked and said, Britney Spears didn't have a terrorist attack at her concert. Now, Ariana has been very open about her own experiences with PTSD following the incident, which killed 22 people and injured over 800. The singer responded via Twitter to fans who questioned why she's still engaged to the SNL star once these jokes resurfaced, saying, quote, "This has been very tough and conflicting on my heart. He uses comedy to help people feel better about how effed up things in this world are. We all deal with trauma differently. I, of course, didn't find it funny. It was months ago, and his intention is never malicious, but it was unfortunate." A source close to Davidson told People the joke was taken out of context. He lost his dad in 9/11 and is close with victims of violent tragedies. As a way of coping, he turns to humor. He's obviously sensitive to tragedy as he lost his own father, and his intentions is to just make people laugh. Now, this is the first scandal to rock the newly engaged couple, but it looks like they're sticking together through this one.